Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elsyiati Ramadanti. I'm student of midwifery at Poltekkes Tasikmalaya, and today I will present about anemia in women. Anemia. In general, anemia is a condition where the hemoglobin level increases lower than normal. The meaning of anemia, according to Adriani and Wijatmadi, 2012, anemia is a condition of hemoglobin or HB levels in the blood is lower than normal values for the group of people according to age and gender. Hemoglobin or HB is a widely used parameter for determining the prevalence of anemia. Low hemoglobin content indicates anemia. Hemoglobin is a dye in the blood functions to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. There is nutritional anemia is a condition with low blood hemoglobin levels lower than normal as a result of tissue incompetence, forming red blood cells in production to maintain levels hemoglobin at normal levels, while iron deficiency anemia is anemia, which arises due to iron deficiency resulting in the formation of blood cells, red, and other functions in the body are disrupted. Next, there is anemia threshold. Hemoglobin levels in the blood are a category in determining status anemia. The hemoglobin levels that indicate anemia according to age of women is teenager, 12 until 14 years old, non-anemia when hemoglobin is 12 gram per dl, then light anemia is when hemoglobin is 11 until 11.9 gram per dl. Currently anemia when hemoglobin is 8 until 10.9 gram per dl, and heavy anemia is under 8 gram per dl. Next is women don't pregnant up to 15 years old. Non-anemia is hemoglobin is 12 gram per dl. Light anemia when hemoglobin is 11 until 11.9 gram per dl. Currently anemia is 8 until 10.9 gram per dl, and heavy anemia when under 8 gram per dl. Next, there is pregnant mother. Non-anemia is when hemoglobin is 11 gram per dl. Light anemia is 10 until 10.9 gram per dl. Currently, anemia is 7 until 9.9 gram per dl, and heavy anemia when under the 7 gram per dl. Next is causes of anemia. According to the Ministry of Health 2003 in Nursari 2010, the causes of anemia in young women and girls are as follows. In general, adolescent girls and women consume plant foods high compared to animal foods so that FN needs are not met. Second, often go on diets to reducing food because they want to be slim and maintain their weight. And teenage girls and women menstruate every month need 3 times more iron than men. There are three most important factors that cause a person to become anemic, namely blood loss due to acute or chronic bleeding, destruction of blood cells, red, and not enough red blood cell production. Next is symptoms of anemia. Signs of anemia include 5L, tired, lethargic, weak, fatigue, and inattentive. Lips looking pale, shortness of breath, slippery tongue, increased heart rate, difficulty defecating, less eating, less, sometimes dizzy, and easily sleepy. Paleness can examination of the palms, nails, and palpebral conjunctiva. Next, how to prevent and control anemia. According to the Indonesian Ministry of Health 2016, prevention and control efforts anemia is rated by providing adequate iron intake the body to increase the formation of hemoglobin. First is increase your intake of food sources of iron. Increase the intake of food sources of iron with diet balanced nutrition consisting of a variety of foods, especially sources animal food rich in iron in sufficient quantities with AKG. Apart from that, it is also necessary to increase plant-based food sources rich in iron, although its absorption is lower than with animals. Next is fortify foodstuff with iron. Fortification of food ingredients means adding one or more nutrients into food to increase the nutritional value of the food. The addition of nutrients is carried out in the food industry. For this reason, it is recommended to read the packaging label to find out whether the food ingredient is included fortified with iron. Next class is iron supplementation. In situations where iron from food is not sufficient regarding iron, it needs to be obtained from iron supplementation. Giving routine iron supplementation over a certain period of time aims to increase hemoglobin levels rapidly and needs to be continued to increase iron stores in the body. Next is determination of low hemoglobin levels of anemia. Several HB measurement methods that can be used are HB examination using the Sahlin method and using the Kian methemoglobin method. First is HB examination using the Sahlin method. In using this method, HB is hydrolyzed with HCl or hydrochloric acid into globin ferrum. Ferrum is oxidized by oxygen in the air into ferrium, which immediately react with Cl ions to form ferrihemichloride, which is also called hematine or hemine, is brown in color. Comparing colors using the naked eye is subjectivity very influential. Apart from eye factors, other factors such as sharpness, lighting, and so on can affect the reading result. Although this applies to inspections in areas that do not yet have sophisticated equipment or inspection in the field, the Sahli method is still adequate and if the examiner has been trained and the results are reliable. Next is HB examination using the Kian methemoglobin method. A more sophisticated method is Kian methemoglobin method. On this method, hemoglobin is oxidized by potassium ferrocyanide to become methemoglobin, which then reacts with cyanide ions to form Kian methemoglobin. Kian methemoglobin is red. The color intensity is read by photometer and compared with standards. In conclusion, anemia is a condition of hemoglobin or HB levels in the blood is lower than normal values for the group of people according to age and gender. There are three most important factors that cause a person to become anemic, namely blood loss due to acute or chronic bleeding, destruction of blood cells red, and not enough red blood cell production. Possible efforts carried out include increased intake of food sources of iron, fortify foodstuff with iron, and iron supplementation. Okay, that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.